for any adult coming back into education, having not studied for many years since they left school, there's already straight away a barrier of confidence coming back in to study. But with Lauretta, she also had the added issues of having 5 children and some other confidence issues that had developed for her over the years.
As well as my 5 kids, I've got my mother who's disabled and I'm a carer. One of my kids have got ASD and my younger 2 are twins, and one of them is waiting to be seen now for CAMS because he's got behavioural issues, so that is a great barrier. But at the same time, I know if I can overcome that, then they can overcome anything because they can see I'm doing it. I had no qualifications, really. I had nothing, and to get a decent job, you had to have something. And my kids thought school was a joke, and I wasn't really a good example at the time because I left school with nothing, and I thought, you know what, my kids deserve better, I deserve better, set a good example and see what I can do. Academically, personally and professionally, she has developed immensely over this last year. And she is now following a path in a degree in psychology, which was something she wouldn't have thought of before. I've grown as a person, I've got my confidence back. I don't think I'm stupid anymore, which is what I was ingrained to believe for so many years of my life. And now it's like, no, I'm clever. And for me to even think that, is just, I'd never thought I'd be saying that to anybody. The Agored Cymru Access to Higher Education Diploma is perfect for learners like Lauretta. It gives them an opportunity to come back into study and to develop those skills that they may have missed over the years, so that it sets them up perfectly then to go into the higher education and go on to the degrees or foundation degrees that they choose afterwards. Without the diplomas, people like Lauretta would be left out of the education system at the higher level. And so I think it's really valuable, and Lauretta is proof of that. When my son has got ASD, I love kids who have got behaviour problems, and this sounds quite strange because I never thought I'd hear myself saying that, but there's so much I believe I can bring to them to help them. So I'd love to work in a school or around that setting to help kids who maybe don't get given the chance, or whose parents can't deal with them, and obviously I can make them feel that they're not abnormal, they are normal people, but they're just slightly different to what society tells them. If I'd had that when I was younger, I may have done this a long time ago.